Hello everyone. Okay, so today we are going to begin our next topic, that is who could enter temples, right? So as we have studied about in the last topic we have studied about Ghulam Giri and Jyotirao Phule. In the next topic we are going to begin the modern the modern in the 20th century, who people which people introduced caste prejudice, fought for Dalits, and also they wanted who wants to uh, make equality in India. Okay, so that were Dr. B.R. Ambedkar in Western India and E.V. Ramaswamy Naikar in Southern India. But today we are going to study about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar in Western India. So basically, Ambedkar was born into a Meher family. So let me tell you, we have also studied this Meher caste in I guess earlier chapter or in this chapter, I don't remember. So Meher is an untouchable caste. Okay, it's an untouchable caste, and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar belongs to this Meher caste. So being a child, he faced a lot of things in his life. He experienced this caste prejudice, this caste discrimination with him. So he got this, it literally felt in his heart, and he wanted to remove it totally. So for that he was and say there are also examples what happened to him at that time, such as he was forced to he was not allowed to enter in the classroom, and he was not allowed to drink water from the taps from which upper caste children used to drink. So these all things literally had a great impact over them. Okay, so now let me so it had a great impact over him. That is why when he completed his education, he got a fellowship to United States of America. Okay, he went to United States of America for his higher education, and he returned in which year? He returned in 1919. Okay, in 1919 he returned, and from there on he started thinking, and he also wrote an extensive about means he wrote a lot of things, a lot of magazines, books about upper caste power in contemporary society. What is contemporary society? Contemporary society is the society which is being modern in a particular time period. Means in the 1919 year, the society which was known as the modern society. So he wants this caste upper caste discrimination or caste discrimination in the ears of the people who belongs to this modern or contemporary society. So after this, in 1927, he began three very important movements, and that is until 1935 he continued this. So in 1927 he began his temple entry movement, okay, in which Meher caste people followed him, and Brahman priests, the priests, or you can say the pandits of Brahman pandits, were outraged. Means were taken out from the temples, and if they were not allowed to if Dalits were not allowed to do something, so this was not then Dalit leaders or Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, all of them just took outrage over him and didn't listen to them at all. Okay, so this was the thing, and these three temple entry movements were continued till 1935, of led by who? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. This aim was to make everyone see the power of caste prejudices within society. These temple entry movements were basically for to make people see that how powerful lower caste people or untouchables are actually. So this was it in this paragraph. Here is a short caption: the gateway to the Madurai temple. Okay, yeah, here the gateway to the Madurai temple, drawn by Thomas Daniel. Basically this temple, if you see here, this temple is Madurai temple, and untouchable castes were not allowed to enter in it or have water in it, anything, and only Brahman pandits were allowed to go in it. So this is Madurai temple, and that's all in this paragraph. If you have any kind of question or doubt, please mention in the comment section. I will definitely answer your all doubts and comments. Thank you. Have a good day.